Hi everybody, this is Jeff Ferris and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to try to keep this updated on a regular basis. I'm going to be talking about online marketing, MLM marketing, affiliate marketing, and any other types of marketing that might be beneficial to you to build your business, in a good, efficient way. Today we're going to be talking about the best network marketing company out there that I've seen. In the past, I was very successful in network marketing with this one company. Had over 9,000 distributors in my downline, and it was set up very similar to this company I'm going to be talking about right here. Basically, the name of it is Hemp-Works. If anybody has done a Google search recently, you'll know CBD oil and hemp are very hot right now. Very good trending topics. They haven't always been legal in the past, but today they're legal in all 50 states just recently because of some local some laws that were passed. And so we've got the CBD oil, which is derived from hemp. The other kind, derived from cannabis, isn't quite legal at this point everywhere, but the hemp-derived CBD oil is. And they do have some great health benefits per some of the members. People who have used these products say that they work great. I'm not going to get too detailed about any of the health benefits, because as you try and test out the products yourself, you'll be able to check it out and have these claims that you can actually say. So the products are great. There's a good variety. It's not all CBD oil. There's some sprays that are good for other things that you can use, pet products and so forth. So I'm going to provide the links to the website below this video so you can check it out, take a tour if you want, and get some more information. It is very fast growing. It's probably the fastest growing company out there as far as network marketing, and I know this industry is really hot. So you can check it out. The links are right there. The compensation plan is one of the best in the industry as well. The company I was with several years ago paid 70%. Well, this company pays up to 85%, so there's a good boost right there. They also qualify as you grow your business. There's some benefits, like they will provide extra money for the car of your dreams on a monthly basis. As you grow even bigger, they'll provide an expense account on a credit card. So basically, they'll give you a credit card up to $2,000 every month, and that's part of your compensation as well. It's a really fast-growing business. You'll be amazed when you take the tour, because you'll be getting emails. There's an automated system that places you into the line of sponsorship right away, and you'll be able to see any new person that comes in. Will be able to see the new people who come below them or after them, who are already signed up in the business. So the compensation plan is a binary for anyone who knows what that is. You only have to worry about working two legs, and it's really fantastic. I'm excited about this company, this business, these products, and I hope you are too. Please feel free to go ahead and check out these links below. Put your name, your email address in. Take the tour of the company, the business, and the compensation plan. Check it out. See if it's something that is right for you, and if you want to do it. You'd definitely be working with me. I'm a business builder, and I'm going to be building this thing very fast. So I basically will be building one of your legs for you, which is really nice. So check it out, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.